stance.
Straight to cover, very well timed. Vikram seems to be on a roll. Like I said, he's only dealing with boundaries. Valiant effort by the fielder at cover back. Well played by Vikram. This is just the kind of start you want to have over as a batting team. Puts the pressure immediately back on the bowler. The bowler is at the top of the run up thinking, where am I going to pitch the next ball?
Yes, I think he left them confounded, the Karnataka bowler, because if they pitch full length, then he's hitting them over the top. If they pitch a little short, then he's pulling or cutting them. So really, where do they bowl to him? And it's a fantastic start. It's 57 within the first 6 overs.
Well, they've decided to change the angle. The bowler's going to come round the wicket now. Let's see if that works. He seems to have gotten away with that. Vikram didn't connect as well as you would have liked, didn't time the ball as well as you'd like. Straight to the fielder, but they're still scrambling through for a single.
He's going hammer and tongue. He just cut loose from the first over itself. I think he's approaching one of the fastest half centuries of this tournament.
This is the kind of luck when it goes your way, a match can turn on. Just not what the Chennai Rhinos wanted. The opening partnership was flourishing, and unfortunately, Jiva has been run out. I think he sacrificed his wicket, which was a good move by him because the chance goes so well, but unnecessary run out, especially not when he's getting runs at such a fair clip by us.
I completely agree. I think he gave his wicket away because the other guy has been in such blazing form. He did well. The fielder was not nervous, held his nerves, struck the ball, and they were well.
Absolutely, he just locked it back to the bowler. He didn't try to make be a hero, go for glory and try to hit the stuff on his own. Well, he kept his cool. 58 for 1, Chennai Rhinos. There you see a very cool, calm lob by the fielder. Didn't get flustered at all, wasn't under pressure, and just what the Karnataka Bulldozers needed at that point.